your host, Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking 3 delicious healthy snacks that you can cook in under 10 minutes. So, let's get cooking.
Thank you!
Oats are a cereal grain. People use them for food for ourselves and for animals like chickens and horses. Porridge is made from oats. Yummy! Oats provide a great source of energy. Oats contain a rich form of carbohydrates, which provide a slow release of energy. This keeps us fuller for longer. Courgette is technically a fruit, but it's mostly used as a vegetable, so most people think it's a vegetable. Hello?
Hey, Courgette
Oh,
calling. I just want to let you know all the good things I contain, like vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, protein, magnesium, copper. I guess you could say I contain a lot of good stuff. Yeah.
Courgettes are really good for our digestive system with anti-aging, helps our blood circulation, lowers blood sugar levels, helps our heart, improves our eyes, boosts our energy. Courgette is a type of squash.
Sounds interesting.
Courgette, also known as zucchini, originated in Central and South America. It was brought to the Mediterranean by Christopher Columbus 500 years ago.
What?
However, the different varieties of squash were developed in northern Italy in the mid-19th century. cultivated in the Middle East over 7,500 years ago. Chickpeas have a natural insect repellent in their leaves. This keeps the bugs away.
Bye-bye, bugs.
Chickpeas are not only great for our bodies, but they're also good for agriculture. Chickpeas provide a natural organic method of breaking down a disease cycle within the barley or wheat crop. What? It's true. Due to this, we don't need to use harmful chemicals to get rid of insects or disease within the crops. We can use chickpeas. This creates a greener and cleaner environment. Thank you, chickpeas. Believe it or not, but since the 18th century, ground chickpeas have been used as a coffee substitute. What? It's true. It's still commonly used as a caffeine-free alternative today. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode and love cooking and learning new interesting facts about the ingredients. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly cookery videos so you can cook along with me at home. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out. Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.